Hello everyone. I hope everyone having a great day and welcome to my channel. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notification of my video. Yes, my video. Lady Deborah S. Van Life. Today's video is I'm so happy. It's just the little things that make me happy. My coffee, and guess what? A gift from one of my subscribers, and the box is beautiful, so I'm gonna keep the box, and I like it. So today I'm gonna show you guys what in my box. So let's get with it. I want to thank everybody for supporting me and my channel and for your donations. I appreciate everything. So, look at here. It's where you put your pills in it. Who would think? See, thank you so much, because my mind wasn't even thinking about the little things. These little things I really appreciate. Because sometimes I forget to take my medicine, so I won't take it. I'll be like, did I take it today? So I won't take it if I can't remember. And see, I wasn't even thinking about this. Thank you so much. And let's go on. In my box, I have a kitchen towel. It's cute. And let's see what's else in here. I have a oven mitt to match the blue. Woohoo! Oh, and a drying mat to match. Woohoo! What's else in this goodie box? Oh, coffee cup. Thank you. I sure appreciate that. Have another coffee cup on the go. And look at here, some little bites. Blueberry muffin. I don't even know how she know, but that's my favorite. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And look at my book. Faith makes all things possible. Faith. That is so lovely. Thank you so much. I can keep up with everything now. And a beautiful. Oh, look. Wow, look. Circle. How do people know that I like stuff like this? And it's large print. Thank you for thinking about me. Can't see that good. This will give me something to do when I'm bored and on the rainy days. Yes, and eat my little bites. If I save them that long. Let's see what's else in this box. Oh, wow, look, y'all. A guest bag. Oh, my God. I'm going to use this today. No, something special. Oh, I'm so excited. And my pill bottle, I'm going to use it. My pill container, I'm going to use that today. Take my pills out so I can remember. So I need to take my blood pressure pill as I'm talking now. Now let's see what's else in this goodie. Paperweight. I can use this to pin back my curtains or anything. And we got band-aids. A little band-aid holder with some band-aids. Thank you so much, my subscriber. I really do appreciate it. And that's all for that. McDonald. McDonald from Arizona. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that. I appreciate all the gifts that everyone had gave me and all the donations. And don't forget my little coffee pot. I'm going to have a demonstration on that when I'm cooking a big breakfast. Yes. And you know, guys, when I was at the campsite, I forgot to use my electric waffle iron. Next time I'm there, I'm going to cook waffles, eggs, and you know I love bacon. Ooh, got to have my bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Oh, that's what it is. So that's right. She wrote me she gave me a card with some inspiring words, but I'm reading them to myself. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. I have the best guys, the best supporter, the best subscriber. I like to thank all of you guys. And I like to thank all you Globies who's coming over here supporting me from Gloria Life on Wheel. I really do appreciate you guys also. And I like to thank everyone. Don't think I forget you guys about the donation with the money. I'm going to put your name, your first name, because a lot of people have a first name, and if you don't want to be anonymous, want nobody to know. But I'm going to put your name in my community board. That I want to just show you support and how much I really appreciate you guys for the kindness, and especially the comments, the uplifting words, the kind words. It just makes my day. Getting a package in the mail, I'm telling you guys, it just makes my day. I am so happy. I went to the mail. You know how you go to the mail? I'm like a little child waiting for Christmas for a toy or something. Because when I go to the mail, I be so excited. I be like, yoo-hoo, I got something. Yes. And you guys, it's the little things that count. To me, it's the little things. It don't, I'm satisfied with anything. But you guys don't have to get me anything. But, if you do, thank you so much. I'm not going to stop anybody's blessing, but I can't wait to be able to give back. So with that said, I hope everybody having a great day. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Woohoo! Let me see. What can I do? What I'm thinking about doing? Well, I think, I'm going to have a roll. Oh, I got something special coming up, guys. Something special. And I'm so happy about it. It's something one of my subscribers noticed about me. And I think this is why I got it. It's something one of my subscribers noticed about me. And then I made a comment. You never know who's watching your comments, who's reading your comments. So with that being said, I will have a surprise. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all the love. Well, let me let you listen to the ocean. Let me give you a round shot. It's just, I'm sitting here under the picnic table. It's a lot of people out there surfing today. I might try it. They do have lessons. And let me get back so you can see all my stuff here on the table. See, I even have my medicine and my hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna put it in. So like you can barbecue or something. Hot, cold only. Let me get a little closer. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding ding, so you get notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Like I say guys, sharing is caring. I'm gonna give a shout out to everybody. Everybody, I love you. Be safe and just take care and love one another. Have a great and blessed day. Because I know I am, because I'm so happy if you know it. Happy if you know. I'm so happy. Dude, yes, I'm so happy. 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 Well, with that being done, I'm always going to act silly. You got to keep it going. I got to keep it, try not to make my video so boring because I don't know what I'm doing. So I have to act a little silly. With that being said, guess what, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. Van life. Yeah. Woo. Nomad life. Yeah. Woo. Happy life. Yeah. Woohoo! Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Guess what, guys? I love you. Whoops. I almost dropped my camera. On the phone.